Big data is a big component of our lives these days. It assists us in making choices and knowing how things function. It is an important task to learn from it. It is a type of job that is also relatively new, so there is a lot to learn. The best news is that there are fun and easy ways to learn by doing actual work. This can get you ready for a great job someday. What is big data analysis? Big data analysis is the examination of large amounts of information, or big data, to determine patterns, trends, and interesting information. It can consist of such items as what people like, how markets change, and how people act. To examine big data, people use special tools such as statistics, machine learning, and data mining. Big data comes from numerous sources, including social media, online purchases, online browsing, and intelligent devices, for example, home assistants and fitness trackers. Big data is big, it comes in fast, and it can be very different from one piece to the next. This is what a big data analyst typically does, working with data cleaning and collection. They collect information from various sources like corporate reports, social media, and smart devices. Then they clean the information to make it usable and accurate. Organizing and clustering information, they employ equipment and computer software to search for, sort, and arrange the information, making it understandable. Identifying patterns and making predictions, they use mathematics and particular models to study the data to see patterns and predict what could happen in the future. What else is a big data analyst doing? Big data analysts don't just see numbers, they use numbers to guide business decisions. And here's how they do it. 1. Discovering and sharing ideas. 2. Understanding the information. 3. They analyze the information to figure out trends and patterns. 3. These can help companies make more informed plans and decisions. Creating reports and charts. 1. They translate the data into images such as graphs and charts. 1. These are easier for everyone to comprehend. 1. They also generate reports that interpret what the data signifies. 2. Explaining to others, they describe what they discovered in a simple way so that anyone, whether or not they know about data, can utilize and gain from the data. 3. Aiding in business decisions, providing advice. 1. They use the information to help the business make intelligent decisions, such as acquiring new customers, enhancing ads, or streamlining work. Collaboration with other teams. 1. They collaborate with units such as marketing or finance to ensure the information substantiates each aspect of the business. Finding solutions. 1. If something goes wrong in the company, they study the data so that they can understand what went wrong and how to correct it. 2. Learning and enhancing, staying up to date. 1. Big data keeps changing, and so analysts keep acquiring new tricks and tools to stay ahead. Trying new tools. 1. They discover new methods to work smarter and faster, such as using improved software or more hip methods of presenting data. What are they meant to learn? To accomplish all of this, big data analysts must be comfortable with working with tools such as SQL, Python, or R, be a good problem solver and pattern recognizer. Speak and write clearly so that others can understand your ideas. Pay attention to tiny details and enjoy learning something new. Big data analyst salaries. A big data analyst's salary varies based on where he or she works, experience, and industry. Most companies are faced with data, so the work is fairly compensated in most regions. A summary of salaries worldwide is shown below. United States, US big data analysts receive good pay. The majority are between $70,000 and $115,000 per year. More experienced or specialized individuals may earn above $130,000. In India, this profession is increasing rapidly. Big data analysts get 4 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees annually. Those with extremely long experience or those who work in the most prominent companies earn even higher. United Kingdom, UK. In the UK, The majority of individuals make between £30,000 and £60,000 a year. Specialists carrying specialized equipment or skills may make £70,000 to £90,000 or more. European pay varies from country to country. In the Netherlands, France, or Germany, you can earn between €40,000 and €70,000. With additional experience, it can exceed €80,000. In Norway or Sweden, for example, compensation could be greater due to higher living expenses. How to become a big data analyst? Desire to be a big data analyst? Here's an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. 1. Obtain the right education. Bachelor's degree. Start with a bachelor's in fields such as math, computer science, or business analytics. Courses and certifications. Take additional classes or online classes in programs such as Hadoop, Spark, Python, SQL, and machine learning. These will differentiate you. 2. Acquire technical skills. In coding, learn to program languages like Python, R, and Java. Databases. Learn how to use database systems, including SQL and NoSQL. Big data tools. Learn about big data tools like Apache Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka. Data visualization. Learn to make dashboards and charts with Tableau, Power BI, or Matplotlib Python libraries. 3. Get real experience. Internships. Try to get an internship where you'll be able to work with real data. It is a valuable way of learning and networking with industry people. Tasks. Work on your personal projects or work on hackathons. You may also work on open source projects. 4. Create a portfolio. Share your efforts. Develop a portfolio collection of your best work. Include graphs, reports, and whatever demonstrates how you perceive and interpret data. 5. Continuously learn and network. Keep learning. Big data is constantly evolving. To remain current, take online courses, observe webinars, and attend workshops. Emerging tools and concepts are always being launched. Meet other professionals, join clubs, go to conferences, and be part of online forums for big data. Discussion with people who work in your field can educate you further and lead you to find career opportunities. 6. Start looking for jobs. Entry-level positions. Look for entry-level jobs, for example, data analyst, junior data scientist, or business intelligence analyst. They provide you with hands-on experience of handling data. Stand out on your resume. Customize your resume and cover letter for every position you apply for. Emphasize your skills, education, and projects you have worked on. How iCertGlobal can assist you. iCertGlobal offers special training courses for students interested in big data analytics. They cover all aspects from basic ideas to advanced tools such as large data systems like Hadoop and Spark, coding, such as Python and R, working with databases, developing charts and dashboards, machine learning basics. These courses are designed with the help of experts, so what you learn is usable in actual work. Conclusion. Big data is revolutionizing the world, and big data analysts are the unsung heroes. They assist companies in making sound decisions by searching for patterns in enormous sets of data. If you like numbers, solving puzzles, and playing around with technology, this could be the perfect career for you. If you have the right skill set, some experience with hands-on work, and some guidance through training programs like those at iCertGlobal, you can embark on the journey to becoming a big data analyst. The future is full of data, and you can be the one who turns it into useful insights. Begin learning today, and open up a future of promising possibilities in big data.